Do not try this at home. All right, let's go ahead and make our Italian meringue. We want 1 cup of sugar and a ½ cup of water. Now we're gonna let this go until it reaches about 230 degrees. Be very careful. This stuff is napalm, so you wanna be very careful when you handle it. Pay attention, don't get it on you because it's gonna burn you like hell. So we're gonna go ahead and get this to 230. And then what we're gonna do, once this is at 230, I have my mixer right next to me. I'm gonna add 3 egg whites. And then we're gonna go ahead and start whipping that once this hits 230. And then we're slowly gonna add the sugar syrup to the egg whites. Okay guys, as you can see, this stuff is very hot, starting to bubble. We're just about at 230 right here. So let's go ahead and start our egg whites. So we'll go ahead and drop this down, get this going on high. All right, so we let the bubbles kind of subside in our sugar syrup. And then what we want to do is just slowly, halfway between the whisk and the bowl, we want to start drizzling in our sugar syrup slowly. Just a light stream is what you want. I don't know if you can see it. Hold over just a little bit. There we go. There we go. There it is. All right, so once we have our sugar syrup incorporated, we want to just slow it down just for a second. We want to add our tablespoon of vanilla, or ½ teaspoon of cream of tartar. This will just help stabilize the egg whites. And then 1 tablespoon of, I'm using yuzu to go with the tart, but you can use lemon juice, orange juice. This will help stabilize the egg whites as well. And then once you have all that incorporated, we'll go ahead and whip this on high for another 5 minutes. So we have our piping bag with our piping tip in here. This is just a little trick to put it over a deli cup. This just makes it easy because you can just take it like so. Just bring it up over your egg whites here. Press it down, get all the air out, and there we go. So just one other thing we can do with this Italian meringue is make these beautiful cookies. Super simple, make any design you want. Just put it in a piping bag with whatever tip you choose. Pop them in the oven at 200 for about 3 to 4 hours, and then make sure that you put them in an airtight container. Make any design you want. Do not try this at home. Burnt marshmallow. So we got a meringue here. Just want to do some little dollops right here. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate it. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos where I use this Italian meringue, check out my Pine Nut Tart with Yuzu and Passion Fruit Sabayon. Another way that you can utilize this Italian meringue. There's so many things that you can do with it. If you added gelatin to this recipe, that's how you would make marshmallows. So this is so versatile, so many things that you can do with it. I just want to thank you again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers.